second piece that we are going to learn today is how to multiply rational expressions, which is almost exactly the same as simplifying rational expressions. The only difference is we have two fractions being multiplied instead of just one that's being simplified. So we're going to start by factoring everything. X minus 3 and x plus 5 are both completely factored. You can go ahead as you're multiplying and write them as one fraction because you can cancel factors from different fractions. So 4x plus 20, my first denominator, has a GCF of 4. And my x squared minus 9 is a difference of squares, so I can factor that into conjugates. Cancel any common factors that you see. So I see x plus 3 and x plus 5. Writing it in simplest form, again, the numerator canceled, so I have a 1 over 4 times x plus 3. So we can go ahead and distribute that. And finally, find your restricted domain. Remember, this is where your original factored denominator cannot equal 0. 4 can't equal 0, so we're not going to worry about that, but we've got x plus 5 cannot equal 0. And x minus 3, I'm just going to kind of simplify that. X plus and minus 3 cannot equal 0. So our entire restricted domain, solving the first one, x cannot equal negative 5 or plus or minus 3. We have one more example of multiplying. Again, starting by factoring everything, our first numerator is factored. Our second numerator has a GCF of 6. First denominator has a GCF of 3. And our second denominator is a difference of squares, so we factor that into conjugates again. Canceling any common factors, we've got an x plus 1. We've got x plus 2. And 6 is divisible by 3, leaving us with a 2. So our factored form, simplified, is 2 over x minus 1. Writing our restricted domain, setting those denominators equal to 0, x cannot equal negative 2 or plus or minus 1.